Good morning everybody, welcome back to Lindy Vanna. We are on the south coast of the UK at the moment. We're in Cornwall and we are at a place called...
It's called Gerrans Bay. We found the spot on Park 4 Night app and it's been really good. The one challenge we had in this place was parking in a level kind of position because it's really sloping. So thanks to some ramps that we have, we managed to get just about flattish.
Levelish.
Yeah,
it was good. I slept really well, and as you can probably hear, it's the only sound here is the waves. It's just gorgeous. We've just had some breakfast. We were able to pick some fresh berries, which was super nice to have on our muesli. And now I think we're going to go for a walk along the beach.
Yeah, we're probably going to go and explore the area a little bit before we drive to our next destination.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Welcome to Lindy Vanna. I'm Gabby, this is Sam, and together with our Sprinter van, we invite you along on our van life adventures. If this is your first time here, thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. After a swim at Gerrans Bay, we jumped back in the van and carried on along the beautiful Cornish coast, mainly on smaller country roads, all the way to the famous Cornish landmark, most westerly point of mainland Britain, Land's End.
So we've just arrived here at Land's End. It was about an hour and 20-minute drive from where we were before. But it's well worth it. It's a gorgeous day today.
So we just had some lunch and we parked in the parking area, which is more for kind of larger vehicles. It cost us £7. There was no queues. It seems fairly busy as it is Saturday, but hopefully it's quite a spacious place, so we shouldn't be kind of too squeezed in between the people.
We took a walk around Land's End. There were a few quirky things to look around. We took some pictures, got a few postcards and some ice cream.
Very clever.
That'll do. After we left Land's End, we made our way to St Michael's Mount. It's an island just off the coast that's only accessible from a cobbled road that gets flooded when the tide comes in. So Gabby just fell in the water. The water is now coming up onto the pathway. It went up your bum. That was so close.
I stepped on one of these things. If someone from all the failures we had today.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh. So today has just been hilarious. It's just been one of those clumsy days. It started off with me getting my ear caught in the fire extinguisher in our van. And then we had a shower and I fell over in the shower in the van. But the path we're walking on actually disappears at high tide. So I'm lucky that we came here when it's low tide.
It's another one of those things where you come to a super touristy spot, you slightly maybe miss the opening hours, once again, same as in Bastille. So here again, it's quite like a narrow road where it disappears when the water comes up at the high tide. But now it's pretty much empty and yeah, it's really, really beautiful here. Very slippery.
Unfortunately, the castle itself was closed when we came here, but regardless, it's beautiful to be able to walk out here and to experience this. But, and it's very near Land's End as well. It only took about 15 minutes from Land's End to here.
Good evening everyone. So we're at the end of today's video and we are quite tired. It's a bit late now, so we're just cozy up in the van, ready to go to sleep.
We drove from St Michael's Mount over to Newquay. We're just on the Pentire that reaches Little Fistral. I'm not sure exactly where we are, the name of it, but I'll link it on the screen now. There's about 15 other vans here, which is cool. We've been sleeping very much on our own the last couple nights, so it's nice to have some neighbours.
Yeah, it feels like a real van life community here. Lots of people come to surf here. There used to be lots of festivals back in the day when you were coming here when you were younger.
Yeah, I used to live in Newquay. I moved here when I was 18. I say lived, I was here for a few months. And I used to work in a nightclub called Cooler with some really cool guys, Kim and Tyron and Sky. They were wicked people. I'm still in touch with them. But anyway, I'm waffling. I've been in Newquay like every summer for the last 10 years or something. So yeah, couldn't come to Cornwall without a trip to Newquay. We're gonna sign out now. We'll see you tomorrow when we start our adventures in Newquay, and then who knows where we're gonna go tomorrow afternoon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. Over and out.